Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you entry number 15 in my 8,000 plus subscriber giveaway. This entry comes from Teresa and she sent me some goodies and her entry, so thank you very much. So there is a card, so I'm going to open it up and it's really pretty. It says hello friend, so this is how it looks. Love the shoes. So I'm going to open it up and see what it says. So she gives me some information about herself that would, I believe, go on the back of the memory decks card. So she says, hi Sheshe, congratulations on your 8,000 subscribers. Love your YouTube channel. This is my first memory decks card. Hope you like it. First everything, I'm a card maker. Enjoy, Teresa. Okay. All right. So she gives me her name again is Teresa. Her address. Her favorite color is she's neutral. Okay. Her birthday is in November. Her craft style is clean and simple. She does not make YouTube videos. She loves to make cards and boxes. She does have a Facebook, no Instagram, and then she gives me her email address. Okay, so again, love the card. It's nice and pretty. And then she sent me some die cuts, which I don't think I have this die, so thank you very much. So I love the colors, love all the glitter. So that was a lot of work die cutting all this. So, oh, she sent me some more on the back. So let me open this up. I like the bow. Let's see. I'll get some scissors. I don't want to just keep tearing everything. So let's open this up. Okay, so there's like some stars and hearts and flowers. So there's different layers to this. So you can layer it in different colors. So you can layer it like this, or you can layer this together, I think. That's how it goes. So that's really pretty. I love the colors. So this is really nice. Thank you so much. I love all this glitter paper. I don't really buy much glitter paper. I have glitter foam. So it was really generous of you to cut these out in glitter. So that was so sweet. And then let's look at the back. Then she sent me this one. I don't have this one either. So I love these colors, are pretty. Thank you. All right. So everything looks better in glitter. So that was nice packaging. And then there's some shoes and more confetti and glitter. I'll cut this one open. I don't have any of this glitter paper. So thank you for die cutting this, because that is a lot of work, especially getting this cut out so nice in glitter. So you must have maybe a Gemini, because this is really nice cuts like this. So very nice cuts. And then this right here, this had to be hard to cut out in glitter too. So really nice cuts. So thank you very much for those. All this stuff is hard to cut out in glitter. So I'm going to cut this one open too. I do have these shoe dies, but I don't have them cut out in glitter, so thanks for cutting them out. Saves me time. These are pretty. I love this color and this this shade of, I don't know if this is like a purple or a pink, but it's gorgeous. So I do have these shoes, but not in this glitter paper. So thank you for cutting it, because it is hard. So gorgeous. And this is a hard one to cut, especially in glitter. Very nice. Thank you so much for cutting it out in glitter. This is hard to get out of the paper. So that's what I have here. I do have this little girl, but I love how you paper pieced her. So sweet. She holds a butterfly normally. So that's pretty. And then there is some trim here. You sent a lot of goodies. Thank you so much. Ooh wee. This is so nice. Can go on my flowers, and you can put these on treat bags and different things. So thank you. Nice little accent. So thanks for sharing that with me. It's a pretty color. Okay. Alright, so now let's get into what you made. Okay, let's see. I need to cut this again. Okay, so here is her memory desk, and this is how it looks. So pretty. I love the colors. I love the little purse you did. I do have the purse, and the bow is beautiful. I love the lace, the trim. It says hello. You did a really great job. I love it. So pretty. Okay, and then there's a little envelope on the back that opens up. Oh, and you stuck some little goodies inside. So you didn't put any information, but the card gave me your information. So there's just goodies in here. So thank you so much. I can use these for flower centers. So thank you so much, Teresa. I really, really appreciate all that you sent. Great job, and thank you for your entry. So again, everyone, I hope you can see. This was Velcro, by the way. So you did a really good job for this being your first one. I love how it looks, and I love the colors. Just everything is perfect. So the entries are rolling in. I will be making all the videos. So take care, everyone, and have a fabulous day.